Juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump, yeah. That natural beauty, beauty, yeah.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Mela, and if today is your first time seeing this beautiful face, you're welcome. And if you're already part of the family, you know how we do. Thank you so much for always coming back. So you guys, I usually don't start my vlogs like this, okay, but today is another type of day. So today's vlog is going to be about, I'm going for my friend's birthday picnic, and I wanted to come with you guys because I feel like it's been a long time since I took you guys out with my friends. So I decided that why not take you guys with me to the birthday party, okay? But before I leave the house, I want to show you guys something very exciting. So I got some things from China, kind courtesy my friend Nadia. You know, she's a Chinese girl, so she got me some goodies from China, which I really haven't opened. I think I just opened to take out the killer, the hair killer. Yeah, that's it. But I really haven't opened the goodies. I wanted to open it with you guys. So let me not talk too much. Let's just get right into the video. Okay, I'm going to start with this. I got a couple of wig heads. Yes, I think I got like 3. And then a wig stand, which one of my wigs is on right now, so I can show you. But yeah, and then I got some batteries and some lashes. Let me open it so that you guys will see. So I think there was extra of my money, and then I used that to get, yeah. And then I got a lot of batteries, not a lot, but I got 3 batteries, and then it comes with cases. Look at how gorgeous this madam is. 3 batteries for my camera, and then these are the cases. Okay, let's keep going, you guys. Now my batteries are not going to die. I think I already have 2, so 3 is going to make it 5. But I'm so excited about this thing I'm about to show you guys. So the girl got a microphone. We got a video microphone, you guys. Now you guys are not going to be complaining that you can't hear me and all of that, because we got a big microphone. I'm so excited. Like, I couldn't wait to show you guys this microphone, because what, we got a microphone thanks to you guys. Right now we are certified YouTubers because we don't joke with our quality. So we got a LED light for filming in the evening. Oh my god, you guys, let me open it so that you guys will see. Oh, I think I should have opened the microphone. I haven't opened it. I haven't even taken it out because I really wanted to open it up with you guys. So I haven't opened it. So this is it. It comes with some sets of instructions, and then this is how it looks. AA type of battery. So today I'm going to take all these things along because Munyami size, this is how the light looks like, and then it comes with the battery side. So I think you insert it at the top of your camera. Okay, so I got this double battery camera battery charger. It comes with two sides so you can charge two batteries at the same time, like who don't like better thing. So you insert the batteries into it. In dear girl was our channel, so they be cry. What the heck, hella? You guys, this thing is bomb. It's so long and it works so perfectly. Let me show you guys. I've been using that. As for that one, I'm going to be honest, I've been using, see how long it is. I mean, I'm so happy about the things I got from China, thanks to my friend Nadia. Like, here is the almighty microphone. Like, do you know what it means to have a microphone as a YouTuber? So we are going to be testing the sound now. I'll be back. So this is the microphone, and then okay, there's a paper in it, so I don't need to be dumb. I need to just open it and read. You guys, I am running late. My microphone is in now, so you guys check the sound. And also I have to take Sky to my mom, go do my makeup. I don't want to be late, you know, mom life. So I'm leaving the house now, so I'll take you guys along in some part. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much. You guys just check out the sound. If it's good, let me know. So I'm about to get ready to leave, so I'll see you guys outside.
The birthday girl.
Yeah.
Rebecca.
Wait.
Rebecca.
Princess. Hi guys, so I realized I haven't spoken throughout the vlog because I was just enjoying the moment. I don't know if you can hear me, but then I just hope this microphone is doing its job. So we are here at the Kuviki Beach Resort, okay, and the place is quite far. We set off long time ago, but then we are now here and the place is good, everything is nice. We are now about to eat the food. We are here for my friend's birthday, Jife's birthday. So yeah, I'm going to take snaps of the food and everything so that you guys see Jifa. Hi guys, good morning, and I hope everybody is fine. Today is Monday. Yeah, it's currently 8:33 and I have to get ready for work, but your girl is tired, but I have to go to work. So today I'm coming along with you guys for work. I haven't done that before ever, but then today I feel like I should include that in my vlog. So I'll come along with you guys to work. You guys, I just woke up and I look very tired. I didn't even know how I slept yesterday. Like I didn't even change into a nightwear or anything. I just slept because I was tired. So Saturday, I think I couldn't finish vlogging because it started raining, like not small rain. You guys, it wasn't easy. After all the enjoyment, how we got home, the place was far, very far, you know, because me and Princess, we are all the way in Tema, so it was very far from us. But then my other friends are around Kasua and Medina and things, so that was even a bit better. But then we, the Tema girls, it's not easy. So my friend Princess really tried. Like, she drove us through the rain. It wasn't easy, but then like she did well. She's a chief driver. Me, like, I'll park somewhere, cry and sleep. But then she tried, and I was very happy. Like, when I got home, I was exhausted because in so me I was wearing white dress, it turned to yellow. The way my mommy laughed at me, It wasn't even a funny thing at all. So it's Monday, enjoyment has ended, so I'm going to take you guys along with me to work. Right now I'm going to have breakfast. My 2 housemates are sleeping, so I'm going to prepare breakfast for all of us. I think I would eat and then attend to Sky if she's awake, and then I'll leave for work. So yeah, let's go. I'm about to make this Tom Brown. They have different types of Tom Browns, and this is not a paid ad. I just really love their products. I made it on TikTok and then the video blew up, so they reached out to me and then gave me a couple of these. They gave me different types. They have wheat mix, they have the actual Tom Brown, which is this, they have rice mix, they have ekwegbemi, they have everything. You guys, I want you guys to try this because it's very good. Like, I've not had Tom Brown that tastes this unique before. So I'll leave their number just here. Call them, order for your Tom Brown. It is very affordable. So order for your Tom Browns and then yeah, thank me later. So you can make them for your babies as well. I make this for the whole family, so I'm about to make this for 2 adults and 1 baby. She's still a baby, no? So yeah. Cream plus a moisturizer, and I use this on my face lately because the sun is not joking at all. So yeah, I go in with my Eucerin, then my sunscreen, because we are not about to get burnt by this sun. I think everybody must get a sunscreen, because if you really want to maintain your color, or you want to improve your color, or you don't want to lose your color, please get a sunscreen. So I'm about to leave. It's past 9, but yeah, this is my favorite perfume of all time. I mean, I have several, I've tried several, but I love this Chanel perfume. Okay, so I'm in this shirt, and then my wig and my glasses, and then I'm in a pair of jeans. I wish I could get. You guys, don't worry, my room is almost done, so we're going to get like better views for outfit of the day. But yeah, this is what I am wearing. So we need to leave now. Time is going, so let's get going, okay? got here around 10:30. I've been here for quite some time, but then the pressure here was mad. But I'm almost done with everything I came to do. I'm just making some invoices for people, and then my microphone is not on, but then I hope you guys can hear me because I have zero strength to fix a microphone right now. So I'm just making some invoices for people, and then I'm going to go and pay some bills, and yeah, that'll be it for the day. But I just want to chill and then watch some TV for some time since I'm done with almost everything I came here to do. It's just left with the bill, but then how to get out of this comfortable chair and go and pay the bill is the problem. But you know what, we didn't come here to watch TV, so we will go and pay the bill, but I'll watch small. Okay, so what's the time right now? It's actually 1:16, and I normally close around 3 or 3:30. That's the time I close, but then the shop closes at 4. Sometimes I close with them, but then sometimes when I need to attend an emergency, I close quite early when I'm done with everything I came to do. So yeah, that's the deal. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, like me coming along with you to work and all of that. And I wish I could go into the cold store to show you how it looks inside. I would try and go, but I'm feeling very cold, and most of the times when I'm entering, I wear something on top of my outfit before I enter because it's freezing cold. But I think the machine is off, so we can go inside normally. So I'm going to take you guys inside, and then I'm going to show you what goes on in there. It's not a joke at all. So yeah.
More. Good.
So you guys were inside, and those are the boys doing their work. So yeah, just watch closely and I'll explain to you. Okay, so yeah, you can reach out to me on, I had a business page, but let me be honest, I get a lot of orders physically than on Instagram, so I'm not really active on that page. And currently we only have fishes, like how you saw them in the carton. Yeah, those are fishes, frozen fishes. Okay, and my mom has another side of the business, which is fresh fishes, and then like fresh from the sea, but these ones are frozen. And I think I'm going to upload her side of the business in the next vlog, so expect that. It's very interesting. So yeah, those are fishes. Some are for us, and then others come and keep their fishes in our cold store. As you saw, it's very big. It's a very big cold store. And then today's Monday, a lot of people have taken their fishes out, so our stock is a bit low, but then it's very huge. So yeah, that was it. So people who come and keep their fishes in have their names written on them in ink so that it doesn't mix up, and then mostly the boys arrange them at different sides so that everybody can locate their fishes. So yeah, that's it. So I am here to create invoices for people who come and keep their fishes, and then also to take stock of my fishes that are inside so that I know how the work is going and then the progress. So I come to work mostly every day. We don't work on Tuesdays, and I don't come to work on weekends. So I come to work 4 times in the week. Yeah. So right now I'm going to make the payments. I don't know if I'll come along with you guys. My car is faulty, so I'm using public transport for some time. I don't know if I'll come with you guys. And then also the most common transportation, how do you say that thing? The most common vehicle around this side is the tricycle, which most people call pragya around this side. But I've picked the ones with Nadia. You see it in the next vlog. But it's scary. It's scary. So I mostly use taxi when I come here without my car. Right now my car is faulty, so yeah. So I'm talking too much. So I'm going to do the payments and everything, and then I might go home soon because I'm done with everything I have to do. I'll pass through the market. I don't want to end this vlog, but then I feel like the vlog is long. I would go to the markets, but you know how market women are. You can't film them. You can't film market women in Ghana. So I think I should end this vlog here, and then you guys should expect a very interesting vlog the next time I update. Is about the fishing side. Is very, like, I don't want to talk too much. Immediately you see that I have posted that video, rush down. It's a video with me and then Nadia. I think I had Nadia in that video. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and then like this video, because you guys always ask me, what work do you do, can we see, can you take us along? So I think today I have fulfilled their promise. So subscribe to this channel, and then recommend this video to your friends, and let me know if you enjoyed this video, what you like, which parts you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Stay safe and don't forget to pray.